I am so excited to do this unboxing video today because, drumroll, my products from Rumbie & Co. have finally arrived today. But if you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago I did an Instagram live with Rumbie herself, who is a curly hair hairstyle specialist from Sydney. She has her own salon called Rumbie & Co. and now she's released her own line of hair care products, and I've got a couple of them that I wanted to share with you guys today. So there's the Rumbie & Co. Deep Curl Cleanse, the leave-in curl spray, the light curl gel, and there is the number 4, the curl treatment. My hair is still a little bit damp at the moment. Let me just take it out. I didn't shampoo with her products because I wanted to unbox them live with you, but I thought since there's still a little bit of damp in my curls, I could use the light curl gel and just, you know, see how it goes as a first step. So it says that the light curl gel is designed for type 2 and type 3 A curl, so looser curl textures. I think mine sort of fall into that category. It's designed to hydrate, nourish, and smooth curls to reduce frizz and give hold with no crunch. Awesome. So I'm just gonna, oh, it smells really nice. It kind of smells a bit like rose, I want to say, and it's quite liquidy actually. It's not sticky. So since I'm just going to be doing an air dry today, I'm not going to be putting too much, and as you can see I'm just scrunching it through just a little bit. My ends have kind of dried already, so just with whatever's left over I'm going over the ends, but my hair is still kind of wet up here where I had it kind of tied up with that scrunchie. So I'm working it through there, and that top layer of my hair is typically what starts to frizz once it air dries. So I'm hoping that this product will stop that from happening. Let's see. So with my kind of looser curls, I don't want to break them up because they've already kind of semi-formed. So I'm actually just using this gel to get them to hold that shape more, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over this smell. And that smell is, yes, rose water. There's a little bit of flaxseed extract. There's castor oil, which, oh my god, for my Indian girls, do we not use this all the time anyway? Like, I use castor oil in my eyebrows and in my eyelashes to keep them really thick and hydrated. So there's a little bit of this, that in here. There's a vegetable glycerin, xanthan gum, honey, and a little bit of fragrance, but it is completely cruelty-free, silicone-free, and it's fully Australian made. I will talk you through a little bit about what Rumbie had actually taught me in the live, in case you guys didn't get to catch the live when we did it. So Rumbie had talked me through, I actually thought it was really a useful tutorial for a curly haired girl who doesn't actually know how to handle her curls, much like me. She taught me a couple of things, and I did actually follow these steps before I even used this. So she said when you're on a wash day with curly hair, what you want to do is actually brush out your curls, which, you know, normally is a complete no-no, but you brush out your curls before you wet them. So before I got in the shower, I did a nice big brush. My hair was super puffy. Because that basically detangles your hair. So then when you get in the shower and you're shampooing, you're not gonna, you know, kind of have your fingers getting caught in the curls and you have a lot of hair like breakage. So I noticed that really helped. So I did a shampoo, I did a condition, but while it was damp, and it's still a little damp now, but you can see how putting this light gel, I can already see, like, this is normally where my frizzies start to take off, but so far so good. I'll give it like 10 minutes and I'll come back and show you how it's naturally air drying. Guys, it's been about half an hour since I put in that gel now, and this is just a full air dry. I can't get over it. Like, normally when I air dry my curls, I mean, you can see there's a light frizmosphere, as I like to call it, but it's really nothing compared to if I just air dried it completely naturally with no product. I'm breaking up the curls just a little bit so they don't like stick together, but that aside, like, this is the fastest styling job I've ever had to do for my curls. Like, I would happily just roam around like this without having to do much more. But I reckon if I just dampen up the curls like in a day or two, if I find that they've kind of lost their shape, and run some of this or even run some of the light curl gel over the top of it, I could refresh them pretty easily. So absolutely loving the results there, and looking forward to sharing the rest of the curl journey with you guys, so keep it locked.